So let's understand with a live example how these two lines can help us to understand the direction, identify the market momentum, price action, chart reading, and all execution of trade opportunity, all with just two simple lines. Let's take today's or one of the example, that is the budget days example. So morning, so this is the open of the candle, opening of the market. So on the left side, whatever lines over here is not considered, lines is considered from the start of the session only. So market opened above this line. So after open, what was the happening? What was the price behavior? Can we notice one thing? After the opening, the rule remains simple for me. More price action trading above this line. Bulls are trying to take more control in the action. More price is trading near or below this line. Bearish players are trying to take more control in the price. That's it. Simple approach. So here price opened and trading above this line. But today, for a surprise, what is happening here is, can you notice here, not even a single candle price is forming a bullish candle despite price trading above the line. So that is the reason I have written here, morning when price was trading above the lines, not even a single strong bullish candle above the lines. That means what is happening here? Price opened above the lines, but at this location, fresh bulls, fresh business bulls are not interested to come and take a bullish position and push the market towards upside. So what's happening here? Fresh business is not coming from the bulls. That is int is weakness from the bulls. First hint of weakness from the bulls. After that, what's happening here? Price is overlapping the lines. So for me, I want a clear resistance, clear support, clear false breakout reversal, aggressive instant reversal. This kind of activity, all these are fast activity. Fast activity eventually gives smaller stop loss and better directional move. So price is, candles are overlapping the line. So for me, I am not aggressively taking any opportunity here because it is overlapping. I cannot tell ki this as a rejection candle. This is not rejecting, this is crossing the line. Rejection means price has to reject. Price has to reject. That is called rejection. So basically price trading below this line. So this intraday directional finder, I can use it in a different perspective. How? Price trading below this line. So what is the direction here? For me, direction is, I'll be more focusing on bearish. Till when? Until price is not, when the price is trading near the line, until it is not trading above this line, I will not consider anything much on the bullishness until it is no transaction or no trading happening above the lines. So basically till that time price is below this line, direction is bearish. So यहाँ पे one of the biggest problem, biggest confusion is getting clear. That is, every trader, most traders have a thought process during the live market. From here whether the market will move up, from here whether the market will move down. So this confusion is the biggest confusion for any directional trader. So I am not confused. Things are clear. What is the lines and charts showing? Price is trading more below it, direction is bearish. So automatically my focus of bullishness is avoided when price is trading around these lines. Till the time when the price is not trading above this, my bullishness focus is completely avoided. So confusion is cleared in terms of the direction. Now focusing bearish direction only. So यहाँ पे it is overlapping here. No instant rejection, fast pullback rejection or failure attempt. Nothing is happening at this stage of price location. So at this stage, I can do one thing. I have got a clue of what? I have got a clue of direction, that is bearishness. Fine enough. So with this direction at this stage, with intraday directional finder, I don't have any opportunity. So I can use this direction. If I have any other trading strategy or system I am following, I can use this direction to find, direction is bearish. With any other trade strategy or setup, am I getting any bearish trade? If yes, I can aram say trade by getting directional clue from the intraday directional finder from these lines and trade execution from my other system. If I, let's assume if you don't have any other system, no problem. I will be focusing on this system only. Price is bearishness, direction is bearishness. So bare minimum, I am not in a wrong direction. I will not focus on a bullish wrong direction at this location. Simple. Price is trading here. Again, bulls are trying to move up. One candle, two candle, price action is happening. So here price is crossing the level. Fine. Let's see any transaction or trading happening around or above this line to understand whether bulls are coming or not actually. What's happening? Price is immediately coming back down. This reason I wrote here. Again, price came above the lines in just few candles, reversed back down. Already here we have an hint of weakness from the bulls. Here one more in, price again trading below the lines. Price immediately reversing back down, again hint of weakness from the bulls. In the market, there are only two players who can make a directional move, that is bulls and bears. Right? Bulls are getting weaker multiple times. So who is left over? Bearish players. What is the directional intraday directional finder trading system showing me direction? Bearishness. What's happening? Price is trying to take a resistance here, immediately rejecting with the bearish candle. Clean bearish candle closes almost near the previous candle's low only. Fine and fair. Few points below this, my bearish trade setup is getting activated. Few points above this, buffer points I always keep. Stop loss and target is what? Next nearest reference level. So previous day low was the next nearest reference level. But what happened once the previous day low crossed, as the move was so fast, if you had track this today's session or this budget days session, you could have witnessed it. Once previous day low crossed, in a flash, price was trading here. So this all these are additional bonus reward market has given us. So basically 1 is to 3 ka risk reward. Now try to understand how many clues are there in our favor. Morning, bulls are weaker, clue number 1. Bulls are weaker. Again here, bulls are weaker, clue number 2. Here, price trading below this from this area itself. So, bearishness, the direction, what is the lines, the intraday directional finder system is showing us? Bearishness. I'll consider this as clue number 2 and this one as clue number 3. This one, weakness from the bulls. Now next, what is happening? Price trading below this line again, clue number 4. Price taking resistance with a clean bearish candle, clue number 5. All these 5 clues are telling what direction? Bullish or bearish? Bearish. We have 5 clues in our favor. And one more additional clue, check this. Two lines, range is smaller the range, higher the chance directional move can come. So obviously 5 clues in favor and 1 clue of directional hint, it can come. No one knows in which time directional move can come. So this day, entire day, there is a chance of directional move. Simple. 5 clue in favor of one direction, that is bearish direction. Can you see here? Confidence level is should be high because we have 5 clue in favor of one direction with the proper trade entry coming in with clear stop loss. What else required? Yampi traders face two problems. One, confused which direction to focus. Second one, the conviction to take a trade. Conviction to take a trade will come only once we get clue from the chart with the help of proper trading system. Randomly looking at red candle, I will buy put. Green candle, I will buy call option. Chasing the candle is the most useless activity what I could see most traders are trying to do. Now try to understand chasing the candle. It's not like I have not done it, you have not done it. I have done it in the past. Even when I was new to the trading, I was looking at this big green, big red candle, getting excited, chasing the candle and taking trade. Later only realized 8 out of 10 times I was losing money. This is the not work. This is what a normal retail traders are doing, which is creating the pressure of losses. So that should be avoided. Try to understand if I am, if you or if any trader is following a trading system, Wait for the opportunity is a special skill. Patience is special skill. If you don't have patience, you will do random trading, impulsive trading, chasing the candle, overthinking, getting excited by the candle color. All those are what I call it as a useless activity, because it is stopping us from the original goal to make consistent money from the market. Simple and straightforward approach.